Now you have to hold the wire from off center, not in the center. Okay, give one 90-degree bend. The wire should touch the flat bead. This wire should touch this flat bead. Okay. Okay. Don't turn much, otherwise you have another bend. Okay. Just leave it as it is. Can I have marking pencil?
White pencil.
Now, as I said, the length or the width of the bridge. Hold it. Okay. Again. Why Adams class or the Adams pliers to be used? So that you can have the sharp band. If you want to use universal plier, you can use, but use your flat bead, no round bead. Okay. Keeping in the same plane, just band it. These two wires should cross over. Okay. If they are not, make them. While giving this band, see that the plane would be maintained. From. Can check it on the cast. Pretty much okay. Okay. Now, as I said, for the length of the arrowhead, hold it this way. আমার जो देखा है ना, okay. I'm just marking it. Okay. Now, to form an arrowhead, there are two methods. Either you can use Adams plier, hold it from the mark, hold this much, right? Form a line angle. You know line angle. Okay. Line angle. Now what you can do is you can just slide over your plier and keep on bending it. Okay. Otherwise, hold it from the line angle. Hold it from the line angle. Give downward bend. Take it up.
Okay.
Okay. And the bend. I mean, you have a very good sharp arrowhead. Right? It won't be rounded. You can squeeze up a bit. Squeeze from the down. Okay. Keep this up, open. Same way here. Hold it from the line angle. Hold your plier firmly. Bend up. Okay. And squeeze it. Okay. Now, since you have made part 1 and part 2, you know the bands. First, which band you give? 45 degree or 90 degree?
45.
Sure, 45 degree?
45.
I would say 90 degree. What you have done? You have given 45 or 90?
45.
So from where you give 45 degree band? And why do you give 45 degree band? What is the reason by giving 45 degree band? The tooth, if you see from the side, your bridge would lie this way. Right? This way. Understood?
Yes.
That is why you have to give 45 degree bend. So, hold it this way. Hold it from this line angle. You want to give 45 degree bend here. This is your going this way. You want 45 degree bend, right? Hold it. Okay. Okay? You can check it. Okay? This way. Right? This is how it is supposed to be. Right? Now comes 90 degree bend. Now, yeah. अभी वो बैठेगा नहीं. It will not sit. You can keep this way, this way. I'll tell you when you are supposed to do the 90-degree bend. Now, while giving this 90-degree bend, you have to be sure the band has to be below this bridge. Right? This is the bridge. The 90-degree band has to be below this bridge. Okay? You see the bridge is going, if you extend this bridge, it will come here. So the band has to be below this. Okay? So what would you do? Hold your plier in a slanting way. This will ensure your 90-degree bend would be obviously or almost below the bridge. Okay? Then just cut it down. Make this wire touch to the flat bridge. Okay? Easy? Get it out. Okay? Easy? You can check it on the class. Okay? Then same way here. Slanting. This side it would be a bit tricky. So hold it firmly. Gradually do it. Okay? Sometimes it may happen while getting this out, your wire would get broken. So be cautious. Slowly, gradually take it out. And there are chances that your arrowhead might open up. So you have to keep pressing it down while opening it. Right? Otherwise it will open up and your retention will be lost. Okay? Okay? And now this is the time when you are supposed to be extra cautious. Hold it this way only. And you see this wire is going this way. So there are ways to get it in. Hold it from here. Just a bit in. Again check it on the cast. Is it going between embrasure? Yes. If it is going, till here it's fine. Then again from here it's drifted. So put a mark. Get this much in. Okay. Pretty much inside. Your arrow, your bridge is also 45 degree. Right. Now this has to be straight. Okay. Just adapt it and rest you have to adapt on the pedal surface the way you have adapted on the C class and V class. Understood? Easy?
Do we need to make a tag in?
Yes, absolutely.
And initially
Why you can